MARPOL Annex 5 is an essential international regulations aimed at preventing marine pollution from ships. This annex specifically addresses the disposal of garbage from ships, emphasizing the need of ships to comply with specific requirements to protect the marine environment. To better understand this requirement, it is key to break them down into manageable sections. One should know that ships must classify their waste according to specific categories outlined by MARPOL Annex 5. The classification include food waste, domestic waste, cargo residues, operational waste, and hazardous materials. By identifying these categories, ships can implement appropriate waste management strategies tailored to each type of garbage. For example, food waste must be disposed of differently than hazardous materials, with some waste requiring specific disposal both in port and at the sea. Ships are mandated to maintain a garbage record book. This document serves as a log for all garbage disposals, including the type, amount, and method of disposal. The record must keep updated and readily accessible for inspection by port state control officers. Failing to maintain an accurate record book can lead to penalties, highlighting the importance of meticulous record keeping. In recent years, there have been cases where ships face fines due to inadequate documentation. Moreover, ships are required to have an onboard waste management plan. This plan must be detailed the processes for handling and disposing of waste while at the sea and in port. The plan should foster proper waste segregation and recycling effort, ensuring minimal impact on the marine environment. For instance, some ships have introduced waste separation system that allows for recycling materials, significantly reducing the amount of garbage discharged into the ocean. In addition, a requirement is the prohibition of discharging certain types of waste at sea. MARPOL Annex 5 prohibits the disposal of plastic, which remains a significant threat to marine life and ecosystem. Ships must ensure that any plastic waste is retained on board until they can dispose of it properly at designated reception facilities in ports. This prohibition aims to reduce the devastating impact of plastic pollution in ocean. In conclusion, compliance with MARPOL Annex 5 is paramount for ships to minimize their environmental impact. By classifying waste, maintaining a garbage record book, implementing an onboard waste management plan, and adhering to disposal regulation, ships can significantly contribute to marine ecosystem. The ongoing effort to enforce these requirements show a collective commitment to safeguarding our ocean for future generations.